Look at plants, guys. This I planted this month ago. Look at this onions now. It's a red onion on the bottom, not much there, but it's good. Some okra there. More okra here. Now that it's already midday, it's really bright sunny. Which is good. Only in the spring to summer, I guess. Because in the winter, this one is totally like super no sun here. But it still got bright light. So it's good still to plant. See, that's odorless onion. Still good to plant here in the winter for the plants that you need. Just good for the winter. The summer, this one is really good. She just full of bite there. The larvae, worm always love them. See this one, that was 3 days ago. I planted this seedlings for cucumber, Barpley's green. See, got a few here, 7 I think. And the other one for Lebanese cucumber here, 2 smalls. So this one don't have it sprinkled, but it's good. And we have this yellow, look like a relative of zucchini. It's good. Enjoy, guys. So I'll probably put some more hose here so they don't get super wet. Super hot here now. We'll put more here. Tomato really love Paulson, so it's empty here. Probably gonna put some more leeks or tomato here. We'll see. Cheers. So I can't wait to put the trellis on them here. So I noticed this one doesn't have any water. This part here. Probably we need to add more of the sprinkle. Walking on here, doing well. I have this already. What, 1 year old or more than? Almost 2. Yeah, look, it's getting bigger, but I harvest the nice light leaves. Even nicer than chives, so it's all year round growing. The rest, I'm gonna put some of this good soil here to get some tomato or some any kind of upright to grow, or noodle beans. See the moringa here. They grow back now. See, that's too many leaves. Amazing. Thank you, God.